Hello everyone, in this video, we're gonna present the experiment entitled A Gaseous Outlook. Our objectives for today are explain the concept of gas law, specifically the Boyle's law, determine the application of gas laws in daily occurrences, and answer the following questions. Regarding the experiment,
Boyle's law states that the pressure exerted by gas is inversely proportional to its volume occupied by it.
to further understand our topic, let us watch this experiment entitled A Jet-Propelled Balloon.
The materials that we need are string, balloon, and balloon valve, and then straw, and scotch tape.
Step 1. Position two objects of the same height. Then grab your string and securely tie one end to one of the objects. Step 2. Thread the string through the straw. Then tie the loose end of the string to your second object. Step 3. Position two objects of the same height. Then grab your string and securely tie one end to one of the objects. Step 4. Blow up the balloon and hold the end so the air can't escape, and use the two pieces of the tape to secure the balloon to the straw. Step 5. Let go of the balloon and watch how it glides to the other end. Question number 1. Explain why the balloon shoots along the thread at a speed using the concept of gas laws. When you inflate the balloon, you increase the pressure inside it, according to Boyle's law, which stated that the pressure of a gas is inversely proportional to its volume at constant temperature. When you release the air from the balloon, it rushes out rapidly, exerting a force on the surrounding air molecule. According to Newton's third law of motion, the air molecules exert an equal and opposite force on the balloon, propelling it forward. Question number 2. What does this prove regarding the compressibility of gases? Gases are highly compressible because their particles are widely spaced and can be easily pushed closer together. When you inflate the balloon, you're compressing the gas inside it. When you release the air, the compressed expands rapidly, propelling the balloon forward. This shows how gases can be compressed and then expand to fill the available space, as demonstrated by the movement of the balloon in the experiment.